Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Scratch That. This week we are brunching it up. I am making a hash brown and sausage casserole and a cinnamon pie apple cobbler. Let's get it. Okay, so this is one of my favorite casseroles to make in the wintertime. The first thing I'm doing is browning 1 pound of sausage, and I'm using Jimmy Dean, but you can definitely use whichever brand you like. And you just want to cook that until it's completely done and brown, and then you'll transfer it to a strainer just to drain some of that grease off of there. Alright, so then I'm adding in a 32-ounce bag of frozen tater tots and 2 cups of shredded cheese. And I'm going to grab that sausage and just pour that right into that bowl. Yummy! And just stir it all up. So if you guys know me, you know what I'm about to do. Cajun seasoning, garlic powder. This is like my favorite seasonings ever in life. And there's so many other ways that you can season this up, but that's just the flavors that I like. So then I have my casserole dish. I'm spraying it with cooking spray. I'm going to take the tater tots and the cheese and sausage mixture and just pour that right into that casserole dish. Alright, so I'm just going to spread that out and make sure it's nice and even. And now let's go ahead and mix up the egg mixture. So I'm adding in 2 cups of milk and 6 eggs. I'm going to let you guys guess and decide which seasoning I'm going to use first. You got it, Cajun seasoning, a 1/4 of a teaspoon. 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I used about 3 pinches of salt. And then I'm also going to sprinkle in some black pepper as well. Okay, so then just whisk all of that together until it's nice and incorporated. Beautiful. So once that's done, you just want to pour that right over the mixture that you have in your casserole dish. And then this will be ready to go into the oven. My oven is preheated at 350 degrees, and I bake this for 60 minutes. Okay, once this is baked for 60 minutes, I pulled it out of the oven. I'm just going to sprinkle it with a little more of that shredded cheese, and about to hit it with this razzle dazzle, some cooked bacon. Right on top, I cooked about 6 slices of bacon in my air fryer, and I'm just going to put those right over the top. Put this back in the oven and let it cook for about 10 minutes. And once that 10 minutes is up, I topped it with some green onions, and guys, it is ready to serve. This looks amazing. This is amazing. I can definitely taste the Cajun seasoning with the garlic powder. You mix that with the sausage and the bacon and those tater tots, the paprika right on top. Listen guys, it is brunch magic. You want to try this dish. Okay, let's make a dessert. So I have 1 can of apple pie filling, and I'm gonna go ahead and season this up just a little bit. So I'm gonna add in some cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla, you can never have too much vanilla, and some brown sugar, and just stir that up. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and spray my dish with cooking spray, and I have my cinnamon rolls, and I'm just going to kind of cut these into pieces and place them inside the dish. Okay, and once I have that completed, I'm going to go ahead and add that apple pie filling right in there with those cinnamon rolls and just stir it all together. And just for a little added flavor, I'm going to sprinkle some nutmeg right over the top. My oven is already preheated to 350 degrees. Let that bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. And it looks like that. Delicious. So I have cream cheese frosting. I'm just going to drizzle that right over the top. Add in some vanilla ice cream. Hit it with the razzle dazzle. Some cinnamon right over the top. And you guys, it's dessert time. It's another winner. It's so good.
Yeah, it is.
The cinnamon, the apple pie filling, the brown sugar, it just mixes nicely. You add the vanilla ice cream on top. You guys, please let me know if you tried this recipe. We are going to finish eating our dessert. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next week. Peace.